In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the create a challenge function in our Socializer app. So I'm currently at the feed. This is where you go after you log on, and I'm going to click the add button. For title, run with me in Golden Gate Park. This is an outdoor challenge, and since it's outdoors, I'm going to make it worth the max number of points, 500. Description and motivation. I usually run in Golden Gate Park at 3:30 every day. I don't want to run alone this week. Come run with me. I can give you a tour. It'll be fun for both of us. Now, I'm allowed to challenge specific users, but I'd rather not do that. I just want to make this a public challenge so that anybody with the app can see it and join me on my run. I'm going to click submit, and you can see it at the top right there. There's my challenge, run with me in Golden Gate Park, and that's it. Thanks for watching.